Jozani bogogo nomkhulu saluka sento leso gogo Bathini Mbatha umavula kuvala emzini yamadoda. Let's talk about road rage, whereby people they beat the hell out of each other, they fight. In cases around 1999, between 1999 and 2006, I've experienced a lot of that, and there was the racism cut. Or cap that was raised as well, and everything where white fight with blacks, blacks fight with blacks, whites fight with whites, and everything. To me, it has nothing to do with race all the time, but it has something to do with us as people. You know, Uh, the advice that I want to give today is that when you start your car, as soon as you get into your car, when I get to the car, the first thing I do, I pull the safety belt, and then after I start my car, I don't start the car before I pull my safety belt. Sometimes it does happen I do vice versa. Why do I pull the safety belt? Is because I think safety before how well it's my engine, how fast my car or how slow my car can drive. I think of safety. Then when I get to the road, I have decided long time ago, far before I have a driver's license, the first thing I do is to drive all the cars. Why do I do that? It's because we come from different households. We have so much stress and anxiety and whatever you may call it that sometimes is unbearable. And something can happen near you. Another car can just come in front of you without indicating and everything. As you can see these days, there's this culture of motorists not to indicate. I don't know where it came from, but rather I know a bit in terms of it's a cell phone. Sometimes somebody is busy, the other hand is on the cell phone. So they can't, if the other hand is on the cell phone, they can't multitask. Because only to find that the hand that is on the cell phone is the hand that must indicate. So they just check the mirrors, then they say it's safe, then they go through. And most of the time it's not safe. That's why we have so much accidents and everything. And the other motorist will say, I didn't see you. Then the fight starts. These people, as we come from different households, we come with stress. It's not every one of us who is able to leave the stress at home or to leave the stress in a passenger seat and they drive to work, then they can continue with the stress. Sometimes people are pissed off that they are going to that toxic environment yet again. Other people, they say, I'm going to see him or her yet again. Other people that, will they hire me in this interview? I'm desperate. Ikati lelo zigo. The cat, it's sleeping, fast asleep on fire, which means things are bad at home. Sometimes it's what you left at home. My daughter asked me to buy her this. Will I be able to do that? I can't afford it. It's very expensive. But it's a need. She needs it. He needs it. I need to buy my son clothes. He doesn't have clothes anymore. And what must I do? You don't have money. You don't have means. And when you left home, you leave home with this thing that, let me go and try. Maybe something will come up. And only to find that nothing comes up. What then? What then? So, when you go to drive, please make it a point that you drive other cars. Try to reduce your stress. Play music, play your favorite music and everything. Smile. Welcome everybody. If somebody raise their hands to apologize, it's okay. Sharp. It's not a problem. Not every argument that you come across that needs you to take part on it. No. There are things that you can say, I can live without arguing with this person. This person has just insulted me. This person has just called me with a K word or with an F word. It's fine. I can live with this. Let me go on with my life. It's okay. People come and go and consult traditional healers and everything. No, I have this court case. I've beaten this person because he was driving rubbish in front of me. And when I talked to him, he insulted me. And I decided to beat her or whatever. You have now dragged yourself in yet another frustration, another stress that you don't deserve. You simply don't deserve it. You simply wasn't going to go. You were not supposed to even go to that healer because you were not supposed to do whatever that you did. Now you need to pay for that car. Now there's a court case that's waiting for you. Now the insurance doesn't want to pay. Now the healer wants his money. Now you are impatient if this motor works or doesn't work. Then you have added at least 5 things on top of one problem that you had, that you were running away from work, or you left at home, or you left in the community. So as we are driving, guys, to our different destinations, work, school, whatever, let's cool down. This thing, beep, what? It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't. Trust me, it doesn't work. If somebody apologizes, it's okay. Let it go. Let it go. You can live without that argument. You can. Sarwa Sendot. Gogo Bathini Number 1 locksmith. Let's be careful. Drive all the cars. Chokos.